Slugging has become the latest viral skincare hack. Skincare enthusiasts on Reddit swear by this technique, and the slugging hashtag on TikTok has amassed over 3.2 million views. But, what is slugging, and how does it work? The K-beauty wave has popularized slugging as of late, but it's a technique that has been used for years by dermatologists and people of color. Slugging consists of using an occlusive product, a moisturizing product that when applied, creates a protective layer on your skin. It is thought to help protect the skin barrier, promote hydration, and help your skincare products penetrate the skin on a deeper level. By applying your occlusive layer at the end of your nighttime routine, it creates a layer that traps in your skincare ingredients and moisture. The process for slugging is pretty simple. Start by cleansing your face with your favorite face wash. Next, apply your favorite serum. We recommend using hyaluronic acid for extra hydration. Then, apply your favorite moisturizer. The last step is to apply our occlusive skincare product. You can use Vaseline, petrolatum, Aquaphor, or barrier balm. And you're done. Let the last layer rest on the skin for 30 to 60 minutes. This allows it to settle onto the skin, and you don't have to worry about it rubbing off on your sheets.